Hey guys, what is up? Alright, so it is a Sunday. It's a little bit of an exciting day because our man Scott, he's got a Jeep. This is going to be his first time out at Uwharrie. So this isn't going to be like a full trail vlog, it's just going to be like a friend's highlight reel.
A frylight reel, if you will.
A frylight reel. This is going to be, you know, like the Rita and Scott and Jason Honeycutt highlight reel. Who also, so Jason just got his diesel too, so this is going to be his first time out at Uwharrie.
See you soon.
Bye. Alright guys, we're at the outpost. So this is going to be the first ride for a couple Jeeps with us. Scott, who you've seen before and has been here doing some driving before, got his brand new Sarge Green JLUR, and then we also have Jason Honeycutt, who has his brand new to him Snazberry diesel. So I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of those two Jeeps while we're waiting. They're working on taking off a little bit of the fender on Jason's Jeep right now, so you'll see a bit of that. But too damn clean. You'll notice these are not the OEM rims too. So these are some old, I say old, these are some JT rims I had hanging around, and he wants to get these scuffed up instead of scuffing up his own rims, so sounds good. What you doing? They being a pain? We've got two rigs with us that still have temp tags. That's the way it should be. And then of course we're here with Rita from the Elverton Jeep Club with Sarge. And then we've got Breacher. You can find him on Instagram. He's Charlie18JL. I'll go ahead and plug him. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. Next time you see us, we will be on the trails. Alright guys, we're just about to the first little obstacle on Rocky Mountain Loop. I'm going to take some video for you guys. Hi! Hello!
Alright, so turn a little bit that way, keep going straight.
Bead. Yeah.
Alright.
No, this is why none of us use steps.
How's that tree stuff? You're good.
Just go over it. You can.
Ooh, you're gonna make it, you're good.
Nice.
Here, send Rita up here.
That was super clean.
Send her right up here.
Go Rita. per rear sway bar end link.
Well,
I don't even know if they make a skid for that.
come on, Scott, you got this. Hey, come this way a little bit. Yep, perfect. All right. Yep, yep, yep. You're gonna go up on driver's side. Perfect. Nailed it. Flexi, flexi. Man. Freaking 37s, dog. There you go. You're good. No, guys. All right, here, stop for a sec. Stop.
Awesome.
You going up the ledge? Gentle on the clutch. I think you got it if you just kind of keep it nice and smooth.
Yeah,
maybe go a little bit passenger. Yes.
go, soup ball time. Lunch stop at Falls Sam. Chaz is going for it. It's so low.
Nope.
Start with the edge, and then you can work your way towards the middle. He's going to keep doing this for a little bit. We finished our lunch stop. We were on Falls Dam. Chaz just went down a really sketchy line. Didn't get it on video. I was too busy just in shock. Nicely done. That was exquisite. Exquisite. That was real nice.
She's gonna do this better than I will. My line, I've always ended up too far passenger here, and then I end up scraping, and then too far driver down there, and end up scraping on that guy. So she's gonna show us how it's done. That's an LCA skid, that's fine.
Oh, I'm not worried about it.
Unless you got Bovie spotting you. Well, you're in it now. Keep going, you're good. Diff glide. .37's don't care.